Hey guys, it's Molly. Thought I would do something fun tonight. I'm going to do the painting. My husband's gonna do my voiceover. Let's see how this goes.
Hey, okay, we got that right there, nice and like that, nice and smooth. We'll get some of this beautiful white, smear that, a little squiggly at the end, 2 drops. We also have this same color white, just a little more. Yeah, you just twirl that in there like that. So that smeared that into that, so now it's just a regular canvas. Yeah, just straight up. Here's one of my favorite colors. Okay, there's my navy blue. Royal blue. I like to call it royal blue. We're just gonna put a little dot of that black right there. Here comes that hot orange. We'll put a little dot in there like that. And then we'll get a little more navy. Nah, just a little more black dot. Then we're gonna do a little navy there. It's gonna be great. Also love this gold. Let's put a teeny right there. Just a teeny. There she is. So circle around with that finger. Make sure you do that part. You also want to do a squiggle with a like that with the white. So what we're gonna do here is there's my hot thingy. So y'all know what that is. We're gonna just go around like that and kind of do it like that. So we're gonna do more squiggly white around there, and you'll see why I'm doing that in a little bit. Okay, I like to do that with my nails sometimes. So what we'll be doing next here is we got a little dryer action, kind of, you know, like that effect right there, the flower effect thingy. Just go like that. That's why that other ring of white was there, to give it more. You know what I'm talking about. Okay, so just keep going like that. There you go. Just don't go too hard. You'll blow it all over. Just nice and easy, nice easy strokes, nice feather easy strokes. Just you want to go in from out, in from out. Okay, just in from out. Start at the center and work your way out. There you go. Just do a couple ends like that. Just a little. So, okay, we'll do a little more. Might want to do another one. No, I think I'm done. Remember, when I wave, I'm not doing anymore. Wave that hand over like that. And then I blow. I also blow with my lips. And it's good. Then we'll just do that. See all the yeah, you see all those beautiful cells, big ones, little small ones, little baby cells. I like to call them little baby cells, the little ones. And then we got those just own little universes. Own little universes with little moons and just little worlds. It looks good. From far back, that's a thumbs up right there. I want to give that the old thumbs up.
All right, here it is dry. I have no idea how my husband's actually gonna voice that over, so who knows what he's gonna tell you that I was trying to say. But I hope you guys enjoyed. This piece is actually really, really beautiful. That is that gold. There's all the lacing that's in the center. That little pop of orange that was there on both sides, dried a little bit darker. I think it's gorgeous. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. Happy painting. Bye.